What up, folks? So check it out. So over the past 2 weekends, I've gotten to fly some killer stuff. I got to do some formation flying with IB Crazy at his house. I also got to do a lot of formation flying here and some freestyle, but it came at a price. I crashed a lot of shit. Some of it my fault, some of it other people's fault. This video is all inspired by one guy who asked me one question. How often do you crash? So I thought, I think I should do a video on that. So basically this video is just showing you how much crap I destroyed this weekend and some of the DVR shitty footage that I've got. So now's the time, go get you some of that. The question is, how often do I crash? Well, here are some examples. Crash probably 20, maybe 30 times. How often do I crash? Well, this one's been crashed at least 30 times. Only a dad could love this frame. How often do I crash on a weekend? Snap the nose twice. Cartwheeled into the railroad tracks. Pop the ESC. Here's how many cameras I went through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just look at the nose. This thing has been through more crap. I hate to show this one because I know I'm gonna get in trouble, but it wasn't my fault. Some assed-hard. I want to string him up by his. I asked him if he had clear video. What did he tell me? Yes. Here's what happened. I can fix it. I have the technology. There's 2 simple steps that you need to do in order to fix everything. Hot glue. And some tape.
Better. Stronger. Faster.
So, I hope you dug the video. Obviously, it's DVR footage, and I know most of you don't like that.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
So until next time, I'm out.
Good night, everybody!
Oh, yeah.